All right, everybody. I got a cracked wheel here for a 2000s, well, probably 2020 Chevrolet truck. I didn't get to see it, but the tire shop. Look right here, and it looks like it's just at the lip. You don't see anything there, but the trick is it's went all the way around to about here, so about 1.5 inches, maybe 1.75 inches in. So we have to grind all the way back into that and burn it out, gouge it out, and we'll fix her on up. Burn all the moisture and all the dirt out of it. That's the best way to get a good clean weld on this old cast aluminum. Like they use all these factories. Burn all the imperfections out. It's weld a lot better. I don't think I can get it on camera, but you can watch the water burning out of it where it's so cold. After this right here, I'll wrap it in a jacket and throw it in my garage up at the house. That way it stays good and warm. Minimum temperature you can weld anything at 50 degrees, so sometimes you gotta do this for a minute. No crack in it. No, once it's getting a little bit of road grime, nobody ever knows it's been fixed. That's a little bit of meat there, just to keep it reinforced. Other than that, it should be good. Not bad for a quick GMC wheel repair, is it? Anyway, y'all like, follow, share, get a couple stickers. Y'all have a good one.